So we're in Haneda Airport now. This guy is going to Okinawa. And then where are we going, Sal?
We are going to my hometown, Fukuoka.
Sal and I are waiting to board our plane. We're going to Fukuoka to meet up with her parents and her family. And we're gonna go get fitted for our wedding. I think I'm gonna be meeting her grandfather for the first time tonight. So I'm a little bit nervous about that. But as long as I don't disrespect him in any way, I think I'll be okay, so.
Are you excited? Nervous?
I'm not nervous. I don't know. I think I'm just kind of making it bigger than it really is. I think your grandpa's gonna be cool.
I think your grandpa's gonna be cool.
This is the kimono fitting area where you choose the different kinds of kimonos for the wedding. And each of these kimonos are super expensive. For example, this green one right here is $2,000 to rent for 2 hours actually. It's $1,000 an hour to rent this kimono. Insane. And you gotta wear gloves before you touch it.
It's like jewelry, you know.
Where's your katana, Norville?
I feel like I'm not wearing this.
No, you are. Absolutely, why not?
One time, right?
Well, it's only once in your life, so. We are at my grandfather's house. It's a very old Japanese home.
It's like look at all these like amazing art pieces.
My grandfather loves antiques. He loves to collect expensive things. So there's always new things here every time I come.
Where is your grandpa's house? Where is this located?
It's in Kitakyushu, which is a part of Fukuoka, the northernmost part of the island, which connects to the mainland.
This is where your mom grew up?
Yeah, she grew up here. She was basically born in this house.
Wow, look at the garden.
My grandfather retired at age 84. He used to commute to work. He used to drive to work every single day, an hour and a half each way.
Wow. Your grandpa's a gangster.
Yeah, he is a gangster. So we are in Mojiko, which is basically the Bay Area that connects Kyushu to mainland. And the bridge over there, as you can see, basically connects the two islands. You can actually walk under. There's an underwater tunnel, one of the oldest in Japan. Many battles have been fought here. There's been wars to take over land during the samurai era. And there's a lot of history here. It's known to be one of the most kind of like a national treasure aside from Tokyo Station. We're about to board a boat and go to Karato Ichiba, which is basically a fish market where you get to build your own chirashi bowl and eat like one of the freshest fish in all of Japan. I'm saying all of Japan because people that live here, they don't want to eat fish from Tokyo. They think it's gross because all the fish come through here.
Wow.
So it's at a whole nother level, apparently. I'm not from here, so I can't say that, but some people claim that this is definitely, you can't beat the freshness here. So.
Oh, I'm excited. So we were just on that side over there, which is Fukuoka, and now we made it. We took this like super duper fast boat, which is that thing right there. Now we're in Yamaguchi-ken.
Fukuoka to Yamaguchi.
We're about to eat a lot of like sushi right now. because this is like the mecca, like Fisherman's Wharf of Japan right here. Look at all these puffer fish.
So big.
They say 1 of every 50 is deadly, so we'll see. We'll test our luck today.